Okay, here we are, another video. Jim Elliott YouTube channel. I'm going to review, kind of demonstrate, I guess, would be more the word, the Van Ness CP77 giant sifting litter box. Had this for a while, so it's not totally free of litter. Candy, hey, over here with me, hey. I love you. Okay, so now this is important because the instructions that come with this litter box tell you to put it together in an absolutely nonsensical way. They tell you to, there's 3 layers to this. There's three pans to this, okay? And with, of course, the top. So we have the top here, okay? We've got a solid layer right here, okay? We've got a sifting layer, and then we have another solid layer. Okay. Now, the instructions for this litter box tell you to put the sifting layer on top. You don't want to do that. Okay? Makes absolutely no sense. The cat's going to pee, it's going to go through the holes of the sifting layer and down into the solid layer. And how can you sift that out? You know, you can't. So what you need to do, okay, and these are the instructions the way I'm going to show you how to do this. These are the instructions for all other sifting litter boxes out there. So why the Van Ness CP77 has completely ass backwards instructions, I'll never know. So just do it the way I do it, and it's fine. So again, 3 layers, okay? Solid, sifting, and another solid layer. Okay, so the solid layers are both blue, and then you have the sifting layer in the middle, which is a darker color, like black or dark, kind of a dark brown. So what you want to do is you want to put the litter in the solid layer, and again, you want to have the solid layer on top, the sifting layer in the middle, and the other solid layer on the bottom. Now, litter. Let's talk about the best cat litter ever. Right, Candy? You love it, don't you? Naturally fresh. Walnut shell litter. It's the best. Clay is garbage. This stuff is light, and this lasts forever too. So let's open the bag here. Kind of taking a risk opening it and onto the carpet here, but I'll try not to make a mess here. And you want to fill it. There's a line in here too. So we want to, I can't see the line, but just pour some litter in until you think you have enough. You want to have it fairly deep. That's just a little bit too small. We're going to make that opening a little bigger. There we go. I've probably poured about 2/3 of the bag in here. Fairly deep. You can see that. Okay. Okay. So we got the litter in here. You can see. I'm going to take the top And the top has these clips, 4 clips, 2 on each side, right? Okay, put it on top, until it fits down, you know it's on, and then clip it into place. And there we go. Okay, so, and then of course, when the cat does her business, you open this up, and I'll do a demonstration against my better judgment here. So again, we've got the solid layer on top, as you can see, and we're going to pour it into the sifting layer now. Okay. And then, if there were waste, if there were clumps in here, you'd lift up the sifting layer, and you would have all the solid clumps in here. But of course, it's clean, new litter, so of course there are no clumps in here. And then you replace the sifting layer like this again, and then the bottom now becomes the new top. And then you replace the top here, the lid. Okay, so that's all we do. That's all it takes. So it's the best litter box out there. Any of these sifting litter boxes really work well. You don't need some litter robot that costs $500 that has the potential of crushing your cat. No, get this. This cost me $40, and I have 2 of them. For every cat you have, you should have 2 litter boxes. So I have 2 for Candy. Okay, so that's a video, guys. Again, remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you for the next video.